Attorney General Tim Fox announced Monday that Montana will receive a $900,000 grant to extend its Sexual Assault Kit Initiative, or SAKI. The program is examining why more than 1,000 evidence kits from potential sexual assaults around the state have never been analyzed.
It'll take time going forward to develop the policies and procedures in the process so that we're efficiently addressing sexual assault kits going forward.
Fox created the SAKI task force 2 years ago after the backlog was discovered. So far, 200 of those kits have been submitted to a lab. State leaders plan to send in 100 more each month.
Hopefully we'll have all 1,140 of the kits done within the next 6 months to a year.
The task force is also working to prevent this type of backlog from forming. They're looking at ways to make the kits simpler to process and planning a database to track each kit from the time it's used to the time it's analyzed. Fox says those new programs could start in the next year or so, as soon as employees can be trained.
We want to make sure that everybody's on the same page. It's very important in evidentiary situations that we have chain of custody protocols followed and that the evidence is actually analyzed and tested and useful in a court of law if necessary.
Fox says the goal of SAKI Task Force is making sure sexual assault victims have confidence in the legal system.
A lot of the changes we've made have been designed to make sure not only that we keep Montanans safe, but if they're a victim of crime, that they will report to law enforcement what happened to them and that we will get them the justice that they so deserve.
In Helena, Jonathan Amberian, MTN News.
Now, the task force also discussed plans for the sexual assault field guide that will help law enforcement investigate these cases while also being sensitive to the victims' needs.